Let's have a look at how to add text and numbers to an Excel spreadsheet. Firstly, you would need to select the cell that you want to enter your data into. So you can just click on the cell, or you can use your arrow keys to move about. Now you can tell the cell that you're on at any stage in Excel a number of ways really. Firstly, the cell has a big black border around it. Secondly, the column that you're in is highlighted at the top, so I can see the D is highlighted there. And the row number is highlighted, so I can see the 6 is highlighted there. And thirdly, over here in the name box, I always have the cell reference, so I can see D6. And if I click here, I can see J8, I'm on J8, and J8 over here. So you pretty much know where you are at any stage. To then enter text into a cell, click on the cell, and then type what you want to type, so I'll type my name. Until I actually tell it to accept that data, I can cancel what I've typed at any stage by pressing the escape key. And my name disappears. So I'll type it again. What I now need to do is to tell Excel to accept the values that I've typed. And I can do that in really two ways. Firstly, I could go up here to the formula bar and click this tick here. And you can see when you hover it says enter. And that will tell it to accept what I'm typing. Or, while I'm in the cell, and probably this is the quickest, most common way, is to type what you want to type and then either tab or enter to leave the cell. If I press enter, my name is entered and I drop down to the next cell ready for further data entry. Alternatively, if I type Fred here and tab, it takes Fred as the entry for that cell and then moves me to the right. If you're data entering, it'll depend whether you want to move to the right or move down, whether you either press the tab key or press the enter key. If we'd like to enter numbers, the process is exactly the same. We pick a cell, let's move down to here, and we type a number in. So obviously I'm typing my age there. And again, until you actually press enter or tab or click the tick at the top, the data is not actually entered. And at that stage, I can still press escape on the keyboard and it will be removed. So I'll go back to putting my age in and then enter. Biggest thing you'll notice now is that the text that we've typed here, so Guy and Fred, is left aligned, and the number that we have typed here is right aligned. That is by default Excel's alignment for text and numbers. We can overwrite that when we look at the formatting, but it's an important point to bear in mind because it can help you troubleshoot errors at a later stage. So to enter data, pick a cell you would like to enter the data into, you type what you'd like to enter, and then either tab, enter, or you can come up here and click the tick. If you click the tick, as you can see, we don't actually move in any direction. We stay on the cell that we're in, and our text has now actually dropped into that cell.